Hello everyone. Today let's dive into of fascinating story about Chhat Puja, celebration that all about devotion, tradition, science and respect for nature. Get ready for an adventure that takes us back to ancient time, connect to science and brings us together with family and friends in today's world. Chhat Puja is one of the oldest festival in India. It is believed that this festival dates back to the Vedic times. Yes, that's right. Thousands of years ago, people celebrated Chhat Puja by worshipping the sun god, who we call Surya. In ancient texts, we find references to Chhat Puja in epics like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Do you know Bhagwan Ram and Sita? After they returned to Ayodhya, they observed Chhat to show their gratitude to the sun. It said that Sita fasted and offered prayer to Surya, asking for the well being of her families and kingdom. In the Mahabharata, the powerful warrior Karna, who was known as son of the sun god, was also a great devotee of Surya. Karna prayed to Surya every day, and this devotion gave him his great strength and courage. In the Mahabharata, there came a time when the Pandavas were in distress on battlefield of Kurukshetra. On the advice of sage Dhaumya, Draupadi prayed to Suryadev, the sun god, for the well-being of the Pandavas. Her prayer to granted strength to the Pandavas, leading them to victory in the Mahabharata. Now let's see how Chhat Puja is celebrated. Chhat Puja is unique because it does not involve any idols. Instead, people worship the sun god who gives life to everything on earth. Let's walk through the four main steps of the festival. First step, Nahai Khai. On the first day, devotees cleanse their bodies and homes. They eat simple, pure food to purify themselves for the days of fasting. It is a way of telling the body we are ready for something special. Second step, Kharna. On the second day, the devotees prepare a simple meal like rice and jaggery kheer and break their fast in the evening. It's a meal of pure, nutritious ingredients that help the bodies prepare for the longer fasting ahead. Third step, Sandhya Arg, evening worship. On the third day, everyone gathered by rivers, ponds, other bodies of water to worship the setting sun. Why? Because in Chhat we show our respect not just to the sunrise but also to the sunset, acknowledging the sun's entire journey across the sky. Usha Arg, morning worship. On the final days, before the sunrise, devotees gather by the water again to pray to rising sun. This marks the end of their fasting and the beginning of a new day filled with gratitude. These rituals show patience, devotion, and resilience, and they are also time for families to come together as children, parents, and grandparents all participate. But did you know that Chhat Puja is also connected to science? Let's see how. Importance of the sun. The sun is crucial for life on earth. It gives us warmth, light, and help plants grow through a process called photosynthesis. Without the sun, life would not exist. During Chhat, we acknowledge that the sun is not just a star in the sky, but a life giver for everything on our planet. Ecological awareness. Chhat Puja is often celebrated near rivers and lakes. People clean these the areas to show respect for nature. This encourages everyone to keep our water sources clean and safe, which is essential for all living things. By celebrating new water bodies, we are reminded of the importance of water in sustaining life. Benefits of fasting. Fasting is an important part of Chhat Puja. Science tells us that controlled fasting can improve our health, helping us live longer and healthier lives. Fasting help our body detox and give our digestive system a break, which can make us feel more energetic and refreshed. Timing with solar energy. The early morning and evening times when devotees perform the ritual are when sunlight is softest and most beneficial. Sunlight at these times is rich in red and orange light, which is soothing and can have healing effects on our body. So, Chhat Puja is not just a festival, it is a blend of faith, science, and love for nature. It teaches us gratitude and resilience, the importance of family and community, and the need to respect and protect our environment. As we look at the rising and setting sun during Chhat Puja, we are reminded of how connected we all are to each other and to nature. And just like the sunrise every morning, bringing new hope and warmth, Chhat Puja teaches us to be grateful, to celebrate life, and to take care of our world. Happy Chhat Puja to all. Let us cherish this beautiful tradition, honor the sun, and take care of our planet.